Hello everyone, welcome to Bit Tutorial. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to enable guest additions in VirtualBox. So let's take a look what is guest additions. Guest additions are a collection of device drivers and applications which is designed to achieve the closer integration between host and guest operating systems, which will also enhance the overall interactive performance of your guest operating system. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to add the guest additions in VirtualBox. Here I'm using a guest operating system which is Windows 7 and the host operating system is Windows 10. Okay, so let's start. Just click on devices, then here insert guest addition CD image, click on this option. Then when you click on that option, there is an autoplay will come out like this, run VirtualBox Windows addition.exe, etc. If it is not coming out, then there is another way also. You can just click on start button, then go to my computer, and you can see here in the CD drive virtual guest additions are shown. Then double click here. Okay, since it came out here as a pop-up window, I'm just clicking here. Then it will ask welcome to Oracle VirtualBox guest addition 6 of blah 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 setup. Click on next, click on next. So it will ask what are the supports you need to enable. Also enable direct 3D support which will enhance your video performances. Click next. So you can see the guest addition is being installed on the guest operating system. So there are several warning may come like install. Just wait until the installation completes. Okay, and several security warnings will come. Several options needs to be installed. Every time when you get a security warning to install something, just click on install. In this window here you can see what are the drivers or applications are being installed. So here it is. It's successfully installed the Windows guest addition for VirtualBox, and it required a reboot. You can finish the installation. The guest operating system will automatically reboot now. The guest operating system has been restarted now, and you can see that there are significant changes in the video quality as well as some other functionalities. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know your comment and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day.